Material Database Viewer. The feature of Material Database Viewer allows you to select any material from the MHC database and display its data quality index, physical property curves, and processing conditions. This is the main page of the Material Database Viewer. Following are the operational instructions. On the left is the Material Search panel, and on the right is the material's physical property information. To begin, locate the material you wish to view. There are two methods provided: keyword search or polymer type with supplier search. You can enter keywords such as grade name, polymer type, or supplier to search. For example, if you enter Zeonex, a list of all materials related to Zeonex will appear in the lower left. Alternatively, you can choose a polymer type, example ABS, and it will display a list of suppliers offering ABS. You can then select a specific supplier, and the list of materials they provide will appear in the lower left. You can also click the swap button in the middle to switch between searching by supplier or polymer type. Afterward, choose the specific material from the list that you want to view. The right side will immediately display an overview analysis, curves, and data for this material's 6 major physical properties. In the overview, a radar chart provides a reference score for CAE and indices for the 6 major physical properties. You can click button to show more information. Additionally, the processing conditions and processing curves in the overview are interactive. Clicking on any temperature in the processing conditions will highlight the temperature line on the processing curve. Besides the overview, tabs at the top allow you to switch and view detailed content for the 6 major physical properties: viscosity, PVT, heat capacity, thermal conductivity, mechanical properties, and process conditions. For example, in the Viscosity tab, you'll see a complete viscosity processing curve. The x-axis labels below can be switched for different plotting methods. The settings column in the upper right can mark temperature lines, and the lower right can set the display range for the y-axis or x-axis. The operation for other physical property tabs is similar. Furthermore, it should be noted that the tool panel within the material list can be linked to other features or used to provide feedback on the material.